You have probably heard about search engine optimization many times, and you know that it's vital to attract organic traffic to your site. But how exactly does it work? In this video, we will tell you how to find keywords for your store, what technical aspects to pay attention to, and how to create good SEO for an e-commerce website with your found keywords. Hi everyone, I'm Natalie from AliDropship, where we specialize in a WordPress plugin for building and running dropshipping stores. With this and other AliDropship solutions, you can start your own online business even with a small budget. Watch this video here to learn more. Today, we're going to talk about how you can improve your online business with proper search engine optimization. What is SEO for dropshipping? The key to success of your store is the customers. The more visitors you attract to the site, the more purchases they will make, and the bigger profit you will get. So the question is, how can internet users locate your online store? Think about it. What do you do when you need to find something online? You look it up on Google. You look through several results that are shown first, and you rarely even go to the second page, right? Forget about the third and further pages. Therefore, as a store owner, you need to make your website show as high up in the search engine results page as possible. How does that happen? You've got to optimize your site for search engines. And one thing our team has noticed about SEO for dropshipping stores, many people don't do it because it takes a lot of time to get ranked on Google. You can always choose another strategy to promote your store, such as Facebook ads. This strategy, for example, is used on our premium stores here at AliDropship. But most dropshipping store owners we've talked to have said that they have implemented SEO at some point. For example, that's what our customer Mary said, and her stores make more than $10,000 a month.
I've been trying my best to work on organic traffic, so I've been working so much on search engine optimization, just optimizing my sites to just rank higher. And I'm having very much organic traffic, people visiting my website. So I can see in a day, this website had hundreds of people who visited, and probably that day I made about 30 sales organically. So yeah, and this is a strategy that I'm also starting to work on. It's ongoing. I'm trying to move away from, Facebook ads. I'm not saying it's bad to use Facebook ads and all these Google ads, but if I can be able to get more people to my stores organically, then it's saving me money, and at the same time, I am able to also sell.
Watch her video interview on our channel. Now, let's get back to SEO basics. Preparation stage. Ideally, you should start thinking about SEO for your e-commerce website when you pick a niche for your dropshipping store. If a niche has a limited potential, promoting your business through search engines will not be easy. If you haven't chosen your niche yet, watch this video to learn how to avoid costly mistakes when deciding on a niche for dropshipping. In any case, in the preparation stage, you must check whether you have everything on your website ready to go. In a moment, we will show you the list of what you need to technically optimize your store. If something is new for you, don't worry, just make a note of it and search for more information later. Now, let's walk through our checklist. Make sure your domain name is related to your niche. It's much easier to optimize a website that contains a keyword in its domain name. For example, if your store sells socks, pick something like bestsocksonline.com. Make sure your site has an SSL certificate and uses high-quality hosting. If you didn't know, AliDropship can provide you with hosting service. Check the link in the description to see our options. Check if your site has robots.txt and sitemap XML files. If not, generate them with Google XML sitemaps or create them manually. Pick a content management system and site theme that is suitable for desktop and mobile devices. If you're using the AliDropship plugin, you won't have to worry about it. The plugin works on WordPress and its themes are all mobile friendly. Add your e-commerce website to Google Analytics and Google Search Console. It will let you track visitors and their activity on the site, monitor click, errors, etc. Make sure that search engines can see your site at this stage. On WordPress, simply follow this path. Don't forget to untick it when the site is ready. Finally, check what your 404 page looks like. Now, it's time for the most important part of SEO for an e-commerce website, choosing keywords. At this point, you should already have at least a couple of phrases suitable to be your keywords, or at least have a few ideas. In my example, these keywords would be socks online, buy socks online, online socks store, or something like this. But you're going to need even more keywords. How do you find keywords? There are several ways. Your first option is Wikipedia. Surprised? In fact, it works well for certain niches. For example, if I want to sell pearls, I can find at least 5 potential keywords in Wikipedia. Of course, it won't work with each and every niche, but it's worth checking anyway. Another option is to use Google's autocomplete function. Simply start entering words related to your niche in the search box to see other popular queries made by users. Use Google's People Also Ask and related search segments for more ideas. Oftentimes, both of these functions will help you find more detailed keywords. Let's see how these work. In this section, we can find more related search terms, and this is exactly what we need when we're brainstorming for keywords. You can also use the autocomplete function of AliExpress if you want to dropship goods from this platform. It offers a lot of suggestions, some of which can be used as keywords. Lastly, use a keyword planner of any kind. A free online service will usually be enough. We recommend trying Ubersuggest. What's great about keyword planners? They let you check the stats of a given keyword, such as search volume, SEO difficulty, cost per click, etc. This way, you can estimate the potential of your keyword. Remember, higher search volume indicates more potential site visitors, while low-frequency keywords often attract users who convert better. Ubersuggest also offers a number of related keywords which you can use as a source of new ideas. Now, let's talk about website structure. Now that you have a list of keywords related to your niche, it's time to get to the next stage. SEO for an e-commerce website is closely related to its architecture, which is your site build. Generally speaking, your site structure should be simple and clear for both search engines which are going to analyze it and people who are going to visit it. Among other things, your site's ranking depends on how users behave on it. Here is what you can do about it. First, use the keywords you have found to build the site's architecture. Think about what search queries people can use to find the content of the site. For e-commerce stores, there are usually phrases like buy something online. Second, create a logical hierarchy. We recommend making 4 to 10 product categories and dividing them into several subcategories if necessary. It will make finding products easier, but don't create too many. Third, when creating the structure of your site, make sure each page has at least one link to and from another page on your site. This way, search engines will understand what pages are valuable and how people can get there. By the way, if you order a custom store from AliDropship, you won't have to worry about all this. Our team will find keywords for your website, take care of its structure, and write optimized copy for you. Check out this video to learn more about AliDropship custom stores. Now, let's move to more specific SEO aspects. SEO for product pages. Proper SEO for an e-commerce website is impossible without optimizing individual product pages. When you import goods from AliExpress, you also copy their descriptions and titles, but they're not unique. To fix it, you should optimize each page. Here's how you can do it in 7 steps. Step 1. Edit product titles. The original product names on AliExpress are often too long and confusing. You have to fix that. Make titles short and accurate. 3 or 4 words is usually enough. Use one category name and a couple of words describing a product's features. Step 2. Edit the URL. URL are as important for SEO as titles. Neither customers nor search engines like it when they're long and ugly, so make them short and clean. Step 3. Write an SEO-friendly product description. To attract organic traffic to a product page, you have to write a description with corresponding keywords. Make it about 200 or 300 words long. Mentioning the keywords about 3 or 4 times throughout the description should be enough. Step 4. Write meta tags. You can't achieve good SEO for an e-commerce website without meta tags. Meta tags are SEO title and description, the part you see in search results under the search result link. Both of them should contain your main keywords. The Yoast SEO WordPress plugin can help you with this task. Step 5. Write SEO alt tags for images. For all images on your product page, make sure to write in an alternative text with a keyword for each of them. These tags will make your website more accessible as Google pays huge attention to alt tags when crawling your page to determine rank. If you find writing alt tags for every picture too time-consuming, consider using AliDropship's SEO Image Optimizer. This plugin can automate this process as well as compress images. Follow this link to learn more. Step 6. Import product reviews. Among other things, the AliDropship plugin lets you import customer reviews from AliExpress. As a result, you get regularly updated content that is unique, but also helps build trust in page visitors, which is a huge advantage for search engine optimization and your sales. And finally, optimize your store's homepage, category and subcategory pages the same way. People don't always search for specific products and might search for a particular category or group of items. Optimizing these pages will ensure visibility to search engines and thus customers. However, make these category pages longer in their page descriptions if you decide to put any text. Usually about 500 words is good. If you're launching a new business, you will have to spend a lot of time on SEO for your e-commerce website. You will need to optimize each and every product page in your inventory. To save time and effort, try AliDropship's Celica. It's a plugin that uses artificial intelligence to automatically generate product descriptions. If you want to see how it works, watch this video next. Yes, it's possible with modern technology to spend less time on time-consuming tasks. Celica can generate product descriptions and helps to fix titles and URLs we talked about before. It's definitely worth trying out. We hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more dropshipping insights and tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.